Headphone thickness is about 0.6 centimeters. Headphone cable length is about 35 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Microphone cord length is about 24 centimeters. Headphones and microphones are split. Long press the phone button for 1 second to boot the Q4. Long press the phone button for 5 seconds till the indicator light is flashing fast, red and blue. Turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Keep waiting the phone to search till Q4 appears in the list. Press Q4 to pair in the list. Connection succeeded. Turn on the music player. Click the volume up to increase the volume. Click the volume down to lower the volume. Long press the volume up for 2 seconds to switch to the next song. Long press the volume down for 2 seconds to switch to the previous song. Click the phone button to play or pause the music. Automatically answer a phone call in 8 seconds. Click the phone button to hang up. Click the phone button in 8 seconds to answer a phone call. Click the phone button to hang up. Long press the phone button for 2 seconds to refuse a phone call. Double-click the phone button to redial the last phone call. Click the phone button to cancel dialing. Long press the phone button for 1 second to activate it. Long press the phone button for 1 second to boot the Q4. Press the mesh button for 5 seconds to enter the pairing mode. Choose any one unit as the creator. Click the mesh button to create mesh group network. Pairing successful. Red and blue lights quick flash. Click Creator's Mesh button to start communication. Adjust the music volume. Click the Volume Up or Volume Down buttons. Adjust the intercom volume. Double-click the Volume Up or Volume Down button. Press the mesh button for 1 second to exit the mesh network. Long press the phone button for 1 second to boot the Q4. Click the mesh button of all Q4 to join the mesh talking. Long press the volume up phone button, volume down of Q4 for 5 seconds. Red light quickly flashes 3 times, blue light flashes once, clearing is successful. Long press the EUC volume down and FM button for 5 seconds to clear the pairing record. When the Q4 is on, press and hold phone button and volume up for 5 seconds. Press any button of EUC to enter the pairing state. The blue light quick flicker. Pairing is successful. The voice prompt remote control pairing successful.